Good morning, students. We are taking the problems based on the chapter polynomial. See, today's first problem is without actual division, prove that this polynomial is exactly divisible by the given polynomial qx. आता आपल्याला डिव्हिजन करायचे नाही आहे. वी डू नॉट हॅव टू डू डिव्हिजन. इन्स्टेड ऑफ डुईंग डिव्हिजन, polynomial px is the given polynomial 2x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. This is your given polynomial. And qx is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. The factors of this, we can find the factors of this polynomial qx as we have to factorize 2 so that the product is 2 and addition or subtraction is minus 3. The numbers are 1 and 2, minus 1 minus 2. Therefore, factors of qx are x minus 1 and x minus 2. These are the factors of the polynomial qx. Now, if we divide the polynomial px by any two of these polynomials, then if the remainder is 0, then we can say that the polynomial px is exactly divisible by the polynomial qx. Hence, in first case, put x minus 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 1. Now the polynomial px is, we have the polynomial 2x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. Put p of 1, means instead of x put the value x equal to 1. That is 2. 1 raised to 4 minus 6 1 cube plus 3 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 2. 2 1 raised to 4 means 1 minus 6 plus 3 minus 2. See what is the value. 2 minus 6 is minus 4 plus 3 is 6 minus 2, that is 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. The value of p of 1 is equal to 0. Then we can say that px is divisible by x minus 1. So in the similar way, we can prove that the px is divisible by x minus 2 because x minus 2 is the another factor. Now see how we can do this. Put x minus 2 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 2. Now we have the polynomial px is equal to, see, write the polynomial px 2x raised to 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, that is p of 2 is equal to 2. 2 raised to 4 minus 6 into 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 2, that is p of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 raised to 4 is 16 minus 6 into 2 raised to 3 is 8 plus 3 into 2 raised to 2 is 4 plus 3 into 2 6 minus 2, that is p of 2 is equal to 2 into 16 32 minus 6 into 8 48 plus 12 plus 6 minus 2 is plus 4. Do the addition of this. 12 minus 8 is total addition of this is equal to 0, that is p of 2 is equal to 0. Therefore we can easily say that the polynomial px is divisible by x minus 2. As the polynomial px is divisible by both x minus 1 as well as x minus 2, we can say that without doing division, the polynomial px is divisible by this polynomial qx, x square minus 3x plus 2. Therefore, we have the result. Therefore, polynomial px is divisible by the polynomial qx. Without doing division, we can prove this. Now see the second example. If ax cube plus bx square plus 6 plus x minus 6 has x plus 2 as a factor and leaves remainder 4 when divided by x minus 2, find the value of a and b. Given is the polynomial px. Px is ax cube plus bx square plus x minus 6. It has factor x plus 2 is the factor. Therefore, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 2 and p of minus 2 is equal to 0. Ka bara 0? Because x plus 2 is a factor of a polynomial px. We have to find the values of a and b. Put instead of x the value minus 2. That is p of minus 2 is equal to a minus 2 raised to 3 plus b minus 2 square plus minus 2 minus 6. That is a minus 2 cube minus 8 plus b minus 2 square is 4 minus 2 minus 6. That is minus 8a plus 4b minus 8. P of value minus 2. As it is factor, we have p of minus 2 is equal to 0 minus 8a plus 4b minus 8. That is minus 8a plus 4b is equal to 8. We can divide this by 4. That is minus 2a plus b is equal to 2. Give this as equation number 1. Now the second condition is, what is second condition? It leaves remainder 4 when divided by x minus 2. That is, put x minus 2 is equal to 0. That is, x is equal to 2. And when p of 2 is equal to, remainder किती आहे? 4 आहे. What is the value of p of 2? P of 2 means a 2 raised to 3 plus b 2 raised to 2 plus 2 minus 6 is equal to, remainder is 4. That is, which is equal to a 2 raised to 3 means 8 plus b 2 raised to 2 means 4 minus 4 is equal to 4. That is 8a plus 4b is equal to, minus 4 आपण तिकडे घेऊ, येईल 8. We can divide this by 4. That is 2a plus b is equal to 2. Give this as equation number 2. Now we can solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. Solving equation 1 and 2, we get the value of कोणाची व्हॅल्यू मिळेल आपल्याला, ए ची आणि बी ची. ॲड करू आपण. ॲडिंग इक्वेशन 1 and 2. minus 2a plus b is equal to 2 आणि 2a plus b is equal to 2. plus 2a minus 2a cancel. The value is 2b is equal to 4. That is, b is equal to 2. The value of b is 2. Put the value of b in any one equation. Put b is equal to 2 in equation 1. कोणत्या इक्वेशनमध्ये टाकले तरी आपल्याला आन्सर मिळतं. -2a plus b is equal to 2, that is -2a plus 2 is equal to 2. 2 cancel. -2a is equal to 0, that is a is equal to 0. Therefore the value of a is equal to 0. Hence we have the value ab is equal to 0 आणि 2. अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला a ची आणि b ची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली. Today we will stop here.